Now I know you're already thinking the paint job shines on this, and this is why right here. It's not like you wax your bike all the time, so make sure you have clean applicators. Will really help you out. First thing we do is we use our Mother's California Gold Brazilian Carnauba cleaner wax. Now if your paint job is in really good shape already, and I always go in one direction. If your paint job is in good condition already, you don't need to clay bar it, but if you want a video on clay barring, let me know. We'll do it. Make that paint really shine. Also, we're going to be doing a video on how to store your tires on your bike so they're nice and soft and supple and protected from storage until riding season comes back again. Of course, here in Michigan, we can't do any riding yet. So, if you'd like that video, let me know. We'd love to do it for you. Now, anytime that you do your waxing, use brand new microfiber towels, okay? It's worth it. You'll have no swirl marks, no scratches, no nothing. Now I'm not going to let this dry up as I normally do because I want to keep the video going. We're just going to do it. And I don't go in circles like that. I always go straight up and down. And you rotate your microfiber towel. All these tools will be in the show more of the video description.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
So you can find them and get your bike shining. So when springtime rolls around, you're ready to go. Alright, now we've done that. Looks beautiful. Now we're going to go to one of our secrets, and that is using a product many of you have heard of called Zymol. We use a little bit of that. We just flip the applicator over. Straight line. Now I keep all my microfiber towels and applicators and buffers and everything right in Ziploc bags, so I never have to worry about dust or dirt on them. Now as you're getting ready to wipe this off, as I said, I would let that dry a little bit. What I do is I give it a mist of warm water with our spray bottle. Just warm water, slight mist. And that's the secret here. Do that 2 or 3 or 4 times while you're wiping off the Zymol. Flip your cloth over. But we're excited about this new channel. We did it for you guys and gals. So help us keep it protected. Come down on the trolls if they try to come in. But we love your input and your ideas because this is a group channel for everybody. Now look at the shine on that thing. Really brings the metallic out. But we've got one more step. And that is our Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax. Now, we're not paid by any of these companies to do these products in any way, shape, or form. We just have found a secret that works for us, and we believe it'll work for you. So, but we're located here in Michigan. We're a professional detail shop. We do every kind of car you can think of and bikes. But this will just put a shine on your bike like you've never seen before, in my opinion. And if you're not happy with this after you do it, you let me know. But again, if you have dull paint and you want to bring it back to life, let me know on that. I'll show you a video. I'll do a video up just for that. Now with this Ultimate Wax, what happens is if you have sunshine where you're at, set it out in the sun, let it bake in the sun, then bring it back in. Do it again. Now you can use the Ultimate in the sun. I say do this whole process in the shade, and then on your Ultimate just go ahead and do it, wipe it down, set it in the sun. A couple of days later do this again. A couple of days later do it again, and what it does is puts a hard shell of wax, protective wax on this thing that will protect it from all kinds of the elements that are out there. And like I said, I'm not going to let this dry up. I usually let it dry up, but I'm not, just for the video here. But you'll still see the huge benefits of this. Then after I get done with that towel, I will get a brand spanking new one. I'm a little fanatic about this. And I'll put that on and buff where it's completely dry. Didn't take me very long to do it, and now I feel like $1,000,000 because this bike is just shining. And I'm going to do the rest of the bike later. But there you go, that's finished. Try it, I think you'll love it. And give me your feedback on it. And like I said, this is your channel. We did it for you and all our fellow bike riders. Live to ride, ride to live. Sweet Scoots out.